Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. To do this, right click the empty space on your desktop, then select Personalize, then go to Background section, and in Background you can choose one of the four options for your background. You can select Picture and then go with one of the recent images. In my case it's just Microsoft default wallpapers. You can also select your own photo by clicking Browse Photo and selecting one of the images from your File Explorer, and you can also expand this list of feeds and select the one that you like the most, fits for your photos. And the second option is solid color, which lets you use just one color to fill your background. You can select one of the default ones or select a custom one by clicking View Colors and creating a color that you like the most. The third option is slideshow, and it's basically just a slideshow of different photos. To create a folder, to create a slideshow, you have to create a folder with photos and then click Browse and find this folder right here in your File Explorer. You can also change the frequency of pictures changing by expanding this list and selecting the value that you are content with. And you can also shuffle the picture order by hitting this by switching this toggle. And if you want the slideshow run even if a laptop is on battery power, you can switch this toggle to the right. And you can also select a fit for your pictures right here. And the last option is Windows Spotlight, which doesn't have any additional settings, and it just puts a random image on your background, and it changes once in a while. And you can learn more about this place, about this picture, by clicking this icon you can see in the top right corner of the screen. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.